Okay, now we are going to go on to part 2 of our gradebook setup, and we are now on the second page under Grade Calc Options. So everything should be the same from where it was before. So over here under Settings, I'm going to click on Grade Calc Options. Up here, if you haven't already clicked on it before, there should be a Show All button. You want to click on that. So under Standards, you're going to click on the Show All button, and then what it's going to do is it's going to break down and show us all the standards. What I was going to do now is under here, under Fill Calculation Type, I'm going to choose In Progress Grade, Grading Scale. Now remember, here is where you are going to either choose Secondary Traditional, which most of us are using, or the Middle School Proficiency if you are a literacy teacher. So I am setting this up for 8th grade literacy. So I am going to come down here and I am going to click on Middle School Proficiency Scale. Next, what I need to do is under Term 2, I'm going to be looking at my life and career skills. They're going to be the first 5 standards that are here. I need to make sure that I change these to the middle school effort scale. So right now I'm just going to go through here and change the first 5 to that. And then right here I can tell this is my first content standard, so I'm going to leave that as the in progress grade and middle school proficiency scale. I'm going to now scroll down to T4, and when I see the T4 here, the first one will be my first life and career skill. So here it is, the flexibility and adaptability. So I'm going to change this here to the middle school effort scale. And again, this should be the first 5 that you are going to be changing to middle school effort scale. And then here again, you can see this is my first content standard, so I'm going to leave that alone. Next, I'm going to scroll down to where it says grading task. And for some classes, there may be more standards, so there may be a little more scrolling down. So right here where it says grading tasks. Now here, again, I'm going to do the fill calculation. I'm going to do in progress grade. And here you're selecting the type of grading scale that you're using. So I am using the middle school proficiency scale. What I would like to do next is scroll down to the T2 semester grade. And I want to check on the weight categories. And then I'm just going to go down to the T4 semester grade and check that as weight categories also. Now, still under grading tasks, I want to look for the T1 effort, and I need to change that to the middle school effort scale. I'll scroll down to T2 effort. I'm going to change that to the middle school effort scale. T3 effort, middle school effort scale, and the T4 effort, middle school effort scale. When I'm done with that, I'm going to click Save, and that ends part 2 of your gradebook setup for grade calculation options. Also, reminder to do this for all of your sections. I hit it. Like I hit hide. Oh, it's